Hello everyone and welcome to Clay Formations. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Happy December! We finally made it to the most wonderful time of the year when I get to make a creepy snowman. I mean seriously, what would Christmas be like without a creepy snowman? Now that I've got the base done, we can secure the armature to the base, affix the head, and then bulk it out with a little bit of aluminum foil. I decided to go ahead and put aluminum foil all over the armature because the Ultralight Sculpey will not stick to the wood. I tried really hard to get it to stick, but it wouldn't. Now I'm covering the aluminum foil with some Ultralight, giving it a little bit more bulk. So now let's make the arms and fingers, taking 4 pieces of wire and twisting them together. Bending the shoulder, and then taking the other side and turning them into fingers. I wanted the arms to look like twisted branches. Hi there. And now we cover him in Super Sculpey. You're probably wondering why, if I'm making a snowman and used Sculpey Ultralight that's already white, why didn't I just use the Ultralight? Well, the reason why is because Ultralight is good, but it doesn't hold detail very well. So I had to add the Super Sculpey on top of it so I could add the correct detail. I wanted this guy to look a little more bulky, kind of like a World Federation wrestler. So we'll give him a few rolls of snow. thought I'd try a different technique with the arms. I used liquid Sculpey with Sculpey thinner and brushed it right onto the bare wire. It worked pretty good because even after I baked it, I was still able to move the arms around. The liquid Sculpey baked is still flexible, so it really worked well. Now he's all baked and ready to add the teeth. I'll be using Fimo, translucent Sculpey. And as you can see, it looks opaque, but after it's baked, it will be completely translucent. And there he has a nice Jack Nicholson smile.
Hey everybody, it's Poser. Don't forget to give this video a like. And if you'd like to, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share with your friends and leave a comment below.
Now to give the teeth a blue stain, I wanted them to kind of look a little bit like ice. This is where everything starts looking kind of weird because I overpaint, which is I put the base coat down first and then I add over it and blend the other colors into it. And now to make I'm Not Frosty's weapon of choice. The killer candy cane. Okay, now let's finish him up. Well, everyone, that about wraps it up for another edition of Clay Formations. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next time.